paper, and that pattern piece on the bottom, the brown one. That's it, and let's start making pattern or design, because this is the only spot design. Yeah, this is while I'm doing this picture, this is the moment I decided what design I should make for my baby carrier. Not baby, because it's not for the age of my son, 3 years old. So let's begin to the pattern. So it's about 29 centimeter, 30 centimeter. So you have to fold it into half, and of course half of 30 centimeter is 15 centimeter, but if it's 29, so it's 14 and a half. So from the point of the 10 centimeter, make a straight line and then measure again, same from the bottom. So mine is 29 centimeters, so it's about 14 and a half centimeter. So now I'm going to measure the back, like the length of the back. So I decided it's like 42 to 43 centimeters. So now I'm going to connect the points from the bottom to my top. It's the same size. So both corners I'm going to measure 6 by 6, then connect it. Now I'm going to make a curve shape from the middle, my points, and connect them. Yeah, so you can decide whatever you want. You want the curve, or you want just leave it that way, like a straight square. That's all up to you. So on the bottom, I decided to make a curve, not just straight. So I curve it now. So while I'm cutting it, I'm giving it or adding it 1 centimeter allowance. So now we're done on the first part. Now we're going to make a pattern for the head part. First, make a straight line, and then measure whatever the length you wish for the head of the kid. So get the other piece and try to connect only the upper part. Just try to make it same size, only the bottom part of the head part. And now I make like a shape like that, just a little curve, and that's it. Now we have the pattern. Ta! So I will use this material. The colorful one is from Nepal, and the black one I got it long time ago in Shanghai. So yeah, and then I'm going to use also the white one. It's like not really foam, but I don't know what you call it, but it's like interpacing, but yeah, it's like interpacing. So let's begin. So after cutting those two faces, I'm going to cut this time is a long rectangle. It's gonna be our waistband. I decided to make like 10 centimeter, 11 centimeter wide, and the length is like 70 centimeter. I was so lazy to cut it in 2 pieces, so I make it only 1 piece. Then I'm going to fold that later. Sorry. So I also cut this white one, like a palm. So we have to use that there, so it's not painful when we carry the kid. Now next, I'm going to cut the band for the shoulder. Now let's cut the last part of our kid carrier. the black that we cut, I'm sewing now in a circle. Now flip it over inside out from the hole or unsew hole. Now I'm sewing the shoulder strap or the band for the shoulder. Now I'm sewing the waistband. Now flip it over inside out again. Now I'm cutting interfacing for this part. So after I cut, I iron it together. Now I'm going to put together our shoulder strap. Now flip it over again. Now sew the hole. Now sew it like this in the picture. Voila! That's it! We have our kid carrier. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video.